In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Roblox's default clothes in just a few minutes. We just need to open Roblox. And then go to the avatar section. Our default avatar looks like this. To change it, the first thing we do is go to the Character tab. Here, we can choose the character we want. Some of them are free. We go to the Clothing tab. For example, I choose this t-shirt. You can customize your character however you like. The next thing we do is go to the Heads tab. For example, we choose this one. For example, we also choose this hairstyle for it. To change the skin color, all we need to do is go to the Customize tab. Select Head and Body, and then choose the Skins tab. From here, you can choose any color you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to support me. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck!